Okay, since the channel symbolizes for me, I will voice it. Skin 1. Vermilion. It's not like an elf is going to save the day by magically bringing back you. Alright. Alright. Ugh. So annoying. Ooh. Skin 2. Huh? Whoa. Weird. No one knows Drama Queen. Skin 3. Ah, cool. This is no props. I can simply fly the icy pin without noticing me. Then I'll sneak from up and snatch the yellow tomato. So it'll be okay. Almost there. How's the... I'm running out of time. Well, I guess I have to stop. I might have even collected the most tomatoes.